Want to use Klarna for in-store shopping right from your phone? In this video, I'll show you how to enable Klarna on your mobile wallet for quick and easy tap-to-pay purchases. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Using Klarna in physical stores is incredibly convenient, and it all starts with your mobile wallet. Let's get you set up. First, you need to generate a one-time Klarna card. Open your Klarna app and look for the Pay in Store option. This is usually right on the main home screen. Tap on it. Klarna will then create a unique, virtual card number for you. This is the key that links your Klarna account to your mobile wallet. Now, tap the option to Add to Apple Wallet or Add to Google Pay, depending on your phone. Your phone's wallet app will open automatically. You'll see the Klarna card details preloaded. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and add the card. This usually involves agreeing to terms and conditions. A crucial pro tip: this Klarna card is dynamic. For security, the card number can change. If you plan to use Klarna in stores regularly, you may need to generate a new Pay in Store card in the Klarna app before each shopping trip and add it to your wallet again. Once it's added, you're all set. At the checkout terminal, just unlock your phone and hold it near the contactless payment reader, just like you would with any other card in your mobile wallet. The payment will be processed through Klarna, and you can choose your payment plan in the app. And just like that, your phone is now your Klarna card. It's that simple. If this tech tip helped you, please give the video a like. Do you prefer using mobile wallets or physical cards? Share your preference in the comments below. Subscribe to Guide with Samuel, because next time, we're diving into how to use Klarna for online shopping. Thanks for watching.